Hello guys, today I will teach you CSIR UGC NET for JRF and LS, overview and exam schemes. There are 5 papers: chemical science, earth science, life science, physical science and mathematical science. Each paper of 200 marks, carry MCQ type, duration of 3 hours, and each paper is divided into 3 parts. We will see about the mathematical science paper. This is of 3 parts divided into 30, 75 and 95 marks. Part A carried 20 questions of the MCQ type on general science, reasoning and analytical science. Solve any 15 questions, each of 2 marks. Total carry 30 marks. Part B of carry 40 marks of MCQ type, topic from the syllabus, and carry of 3 marks for each questions of 25 questions are solved from 40 questions. 3 questions of multiple correct answers. If any one answer is wrong, then whole answer is wrong to be considered. If do not choose correct one answers, then consider 2 as the wrong answer. These questions are for test your knowledge of scientific concepts. So gives answer by the scientific, use the scientific law applications for the answers. Carry of 60 questions, out of we solve only 20 questions. Carry of 4.75 marks per questions, therefore total marks of 95 marks for full part C. There is negative marks for part A and part B of 25%, that means 1/4 of the one questions, and there is no negative marks for part C. Thank you.